Good morning children, welcome to my class. So today in class 3 English language we are going to do lesson 13 adverbs. Okay, so what are adverbs? Words that tell us more about verbs are known as adverbs. Alright, once again I am telling you, words that tell us more about verbs are known as adverbs. Okay, now you please refer to page 78. Alright. Use suitable words from the box to complete the sentences. You please see here. The children played merrily. Number 1. Okay. Please see. The children played. Alright. I hope you can see. Yeah. The children played merrily. So how the children played? How the children played? The children played merrily. So merrily is the adverb here, which tells us more about the verb played. Okay? The children played merrily. How the children played? Merrily. So you see here, merrily tells us more about the verb played. So words that tell us more about the verbs are known as adverbs. Alright? Okay. The soldiers fought bravely. Please see here. The soldiers fought bravely. How the soldiers fought? The soldiers fought bravely. Okay, which one is the verb here in this sentence? Second sentence. What is the verb? So, how the soldiers fought? Bravely. So, bravely tells us more about the soldiers. Okay, so the soldiers fought bravely. Here the verb is fought. It is telling us more about whom? How the soldiers fought. The soldiers fought bravely. Alright. The old person walked slowly. You see here, the old person walked slowly. So how the old person walked? The old person walked slowly. Okay, alright. See here, the verb in this sentence, third sentence, the old person walked slowly. The verb is walked. How the old person walked? So slowly. It tells us more about walked. About the verb walked. Okay, alright. I always keep my atlas nearby. I always, now you see here, I always keep my atlas. Atlas is a book of maps. I always keep my atlas nearby. Alright. So where I am keeping my atlas? Nearby. Nearby is that verb here. Okay, alright. It tells us more about the verb keep. I always keep my atlas nearby. Okay, alright. Now you see nearby. This sentence is showing adverb of place. Where I am keeping it? Nearby. Alright. Okay. The painter drew, number 5. The painter drew skillfully. The painter drew skillfully. How the painter drew? The painter drew skillfully. So, it is telling us more about the verb drew. How the painter drew? So skillfully. It is telling us which one is the verb here in this sentence. Drew is the verb. Alright. So, you see skillfully tells us more about the verb drew. The painter drew skillfully. Alright. It is showing manner. I will tell you this sentences. Which sentences is telling us about manner? Which sentence is telling us about place? Which one is telling us about time? Okay. Here, these things also we are going to learn in this lesson. The student will speak in the assembly tomorrow. The student will speak in the assembly. Will speak in the assembly tomorrow. See, it is saying us about time. When he will speak tomorrow. Alright? When he is going to speak tomorrow. So it tells us about the time. Okay, tomorrow. The student will speak in the assembly tomorrow. Which one is the verb here? Speak is the verb here. Alright. Now you see here children. Adverbs. What are adverbs? Words that tell us more about verbs are known as adverbs. Alright. Okay. Now you see. The children played merrily. This sentence is telling about manner. Okay. Merrily. How the children played? Merrily. The soldiers fought bravely. It is also saying us about manner. How the soldiers fought bravely. The old person walked slowly. This sentence is also of manner. Okay. How the old person walked slowly. I always keep my atlas nearby. It is telling us about place. Okay, where I am keeping my atlas? Nearby. The painter drew skillfully. How the painter drew skillfully. So it is also telling us about manner. The student will speak in the assembly tomorrow. When he will speak? Tomorrow. It is telling us about time. Okay, so please go through this lesson. What are adverbs? We just started. We shall continue. In the next classes, we shall continue this lesson by doing all the exercises. Alright? Okay. Thank you.